got a title already. The Russian people who just won't leave. They don't know how to do this.
Почему ты стреляешь?
Yes.
Why you shoot?
Cause I like to shoot stuff. Like rocket with it.
This is gonna be very, very good. That's great. That's really great. As my skills. Oh, look. Don't. Thank you. Thank you. My ping is exactly 158. And I'm dead. They didn't tell me if he was a traitor or not. So, yeah, this is perfect. We'll be back. Alright. This is when you forget to record.
Maximov. Traitor.
Well, it's obviously not these guys. Just started shooting each other for no reason. God, I hate sneezing. Batman. Yeah, we do. No person. Huh. Alright. So. You know, don't shoot me because I'm on your team. You have a sniper in the tower. If you can hit him from here, I'll give you 20 bucks. Honest.
No English.
Почему? Почему на русском? Так неудобно.
I Russian.
Я понял. Okay, God, these Russian people. These Russian people. Oh, yeah. And I got killed. That's fucking fantastic. And I forgot recording again. That's, yeah, perfect.
I've got my eye on you, sir.
You're the only one that speaks English, man. And,
Pretty much.
you're my only homie here, so let's do this.
I speak English.
I have suspicions and I'm gonna try.
I found the gold.
Let's just kill the Russian people because they're not gonna know what's going on.
Ah, bollocks. Right.
You idiot.
There we go. Yeah.
He just went, I found the gold block, and he killed him.
There was a bunch of people that died within the first 5 seconds.
Somebody with shotgun killed 3 people.
Yeah. Now we have a tester. Well,
One people with shotgun killed 3 people.
Let's try this.
The Junior, please give me your first weapon.
what?
Yeah, I don't. There we go.
Have your shotgun.
I don't have shotgun, I have sniper.
Piece of crap. Trying to snipe people.
Yeah.
God, these Russian people, man. Being a detective is a free, not get shot in the face one. Yeah. Pretty sure a sniper up inside a tower is yeah. Alright, people caught on fire. They're dying.
No!
Yeah. I am dead. They're dead. They're dead. Look, they're dead. Well, anyone is welcome to use AUG type. But no one's welcome to speak frickin' English. Excuse me.
Fuck. Shotgun.
Why am I getting 40 frames?
Shotgun.
I kinda wanna know why Mint killed that one guy.
Yeah, shotgun, shotgun.
Gonna have to disable some stuff. Oh god. Alright.
Okay,
Don't worry, isn't it?
I in the tent. We're going to kill the place. I'm inside. Find the gold block.
Somebody kill.
There's guy.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was like worst time to do
There's
that.
the guy he killed.
Freaking hilarious. Alright, we're gonna. This is gonna be your end.